Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, price at $0.2072 is down 3.61%, witnessing a minor pullback after a near 18% rally last week. Based on technical data and a 102% surge in trading volume, HBAR price is prepared to mirror the 780% rally seen in November 2024 to hit $1. The Hedera Hashgraph network surge with the NFT boom adds tailwind to the recovering HBAR price. So, let's find out if the resurfacing HBAR token could reclaim the $1 mark. HBAR price at 20 cents holds above the psychological mark and enters a short consolidation after a 17.51% surge last week, as Bitcoin price hit $100,000. Supporting the uptrend, CoinMarketCap's data shows a 102% surge in trading volume, hitting $592.11 million. The altcoin price surged 782% between November 4th and December 6th before witnessing a consolidation, constricted within two declining trend lines. This forms the flag pattern, with the bull run known as the pole and the consolidation as the flag. The downfall in HBAR token bottomed out at $0.1247 on April 8th and has surged 66% since then. The altcoin marked an upside breakout with a decisive daily closing price of $0.1952 on May 8th above the flag's upper boundary. Flag pattern's price target is calculated by adding the pole's length to the breakout point, hinting at a 782% rally to $1.66. According to the trend-based Fibonacci levels, the uptrend could witness short-term resistance at the 50% level at 45 cents. Optimistically, the pattern's breakout rally will surpass the 100% level at $1.29. Hence, the technical signals support the HBAR price prediction of the $1 psychological mark. The positive trend in the Relative Strength Index, RSI, consolidates near the overbought boundary line, reflecting a minor slowdown in bullish momentum. Additionally, the merger of 50 and 200-day EMA signals a potential golden crossover ahead. Thus, the technical indicators bolster the HBAR bull run chances with a pattern breakout. In a recent interview, Hedera Hashgraph's co-founder, Dr. Lehman Baird, boasts about the technological breakthrough with the network's consensus mechanism. The network runs on an asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance (ABFT), the gold standard in distributed consensus, as highlighted by Dr. Lehman. You can have ultimate speed, essentially at the speed of the internet, while also having ultimate security with ABFT, said Baird, describing the vision that drove the creation of Hedera's Hashgraph algorithm. With this vision manifesting, the network now processes over 100 million transactions per day, unmatched by most public blockchains. The state-of-the-art mechanism comes with a low-energy proof-of-stake model, underpinning growing adoption across tokenized assets, ESG data tracking, and NFTs. Amid the HBAR price surge, the network witnesses a surge in activity, especially in NFTs. The official Hedera Hashgraph website data shows $158.36 million in total NFT sales volume, with 383,328 NFTs sold over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the NFT ecosystem on the network continues to grow as 5,468,273 total NFTs are held by 534,607 total NFT holders. The revival of NFTs will boost Hedera Hashgraph network activity, potentially translating to an HBAR price surge. With a bullish pattern breakout fueled by a 102% hike in trading volumes, HBAR price aims for the $1 psychological mark. Additionally, the strong network fundamentals, pumping over 100 million daily transactions and booming NFT activity, bolster the bullish chances. What is Hedera? Hedera is a distributed ledger technology which has a new form of distributed consensus. It provides a fast, fair, and secure infrastructure to run decentralized applications, dApps. It has significant implications for both public and private distributed ledger technology use cases, including cryptocurrency and dApps due to its lightning-fast throughput, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance backed by mathematical proofs. Unlike some blockchain-based platforms, it doesn't require compute-heavy proof of work. Being faster, secure, and fairer than blockchain, Hashgraph is a data structure based on two unique techniques, i.e. virtual voting and gossip about gossip. What are the properties of hashgraph? 3 unique properties of Hedera hashgraph are *fair. It uses the uniform timestamping technique that makes it fairer than all other algorithms. *secure. With an asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant system, neither a member can stop the community from reaching a consensus nor change after it has been reached. *speed. It can handle more than hundreds of thousands of transactions and verify over 1 million signatures per second. How does Hedera hashgraph work? Hedera hashgraph works on the following 2 protocols. Gossip about gossip. Virtual voting. Gossip about gossip. Gossip about gossip is one of the popular concepts in networking. Gossiping means to spread a piece of information to another person who is not aware of it yet. Do you know how gossip reaches from one person to another in real life? For instance, John speaks something to Robert and Robert then conveys the same message to Bob, and Bob says it to someone else and so on. Gossip about gossip also works on the same set of rules. 1. Every gossip contains a bit of information attached to the hashes of the last 2 people to whom you talked. 2. Therefore, every node in hashgraph expands the signed information on new transactions and transactions received from other nodes to your randomly chosen neighbor nodes. 3. The randomly selected adjacent nodes combine these newly created events with the piece of information received from the last nodes, and a new event is created. 4. The entire cycle goes on repeatedly until all the nodes in hashgraph get the same information. History of Hedera hashgraph. Lehman Baird, the co-founder of Swirlds Inc. and a former computer science professor, founded hashgraph technology in 2016. However, the project Hedera hashgraph was launched in 2018 in partnership with Mance Harmon, who helped Lehman develop the proof of concept, commercialize hashgraph to implement in private businesses, and battle-test it in permissioned environments. The new form of distributed ledger technology promised to process upwards of 2,510,000 transactions per second. This is in stark contrast to blockchains that were struggling to process even 10 or 20 transactions per second at that time. In 2017, Swirlds raised its seed investment round to bootstrap the development of Hedera. A year later, the project's mainnet went live. Hedera Governing Council now includes over 17 companies, including Boeing, Google, IBM, Tata Communications, and LG Electronics, to name a few. What is Hedera Consensus Service? Hedera Consensus Service, available on the Hedera mainnet, allows developers to *create verifiable timestamps, *create ordered events for any application. Hedera Consensus Service is really useful for applications that need transaction ordering without middlemen, high output with conclusiveness in ordering, auditability or testability in real-time and privacy controls which are specific to the application. Hedera Consensus Service can have various use cases across numerous industries like supply chains, advertising, etc. Hedera Consensus Service can be used by traditional applications, blockchain frameworks like Hyperledger Fabric, R3's Corda, etc. What are the services offered by the Hedera hashgraph platform? 1. Token Service. Hedera hashgraph's token service is designed to configure, mint and manage fungible and non-fungible tokens without requiring to deploy a smart contract. It offers high throughput, on-chain programmability and native compliance configurations to deploy faulty and expensive smart contracts. Benefits of tokenizing on Hedera hashgraph network. Native tokens. Creating tokens on the Hedera hashgraph network does not require slow, faulty, and expensive smart contracts. Instead, tokens issued with the Hedera token service are native to Hedera. Tokens on the Hedera implement the same security and performance as HBAR. Security audit. FP Complete performs independent third-party security audits for the Hedera ledger software and Hedera token service. Programmability. Non-fungible and fungible tokens deployed using the Hedera token service provide native programmabilities, such as scheduled transactions and atomic swaps for on-chain functionality. Low fees. Hedera token service provides low transaction fees on the Hedera public network. It charges less than $1 to transfer any tokenized asset on the Hedera network. Enterprise governance. Hedera's decentralized governing body of worldwide organizations ensures decentralized decision-making, network stability, and a no-fork guarantee. Configurable compliance. Key and token configurations at the account level provide the flexibility to meet compliance needs, including token supply management, transfer, KYC verification, and freeze, and more. 2. Consensus service. The Hedera Consensus Service, HCS, acts as a trust layer for any permission network and enables verifiable and immutable records of messages. Application messages are sent to the Hedera network for consensus with a fairly ordered and trusted timestamp. Hedera Consensus Service is used to deliver decentralized trust for any existing or new app across every industry. Also, it can be used as a decentralized ordering service. Using HCS, you can encrypt the content of confidential messages for strong privacy. Using HCS API, you can build applications that leverage the benefits of high throughput, fast finality, and fair ordering of Hedera Hashgraph.